Hamsters. My name is Ashley, and today I'm going to take you through a day in the Georgia Hemp Company. Howdy, Hamster. So the car is parked, the alarm is disarmed. Let's go get you clocked in. Follow me.
And now we're going to go to our POS system and clock in. Now let's go stash our stuff.
Now that you're clocked in, you'll put your things up in the team member lounge. This is where you'll store your personal belongings. Before you hit the floor, check the community board for updates. This will keep you plugged in onto ongoing education, events, and promotions. Each day, you'll complete opening, midday, or closing checklists. Throughout your shift, you will clean, restock, and pull inventory. If you're on the way out, make sure to communicate any important information to your teammates. You will also clean the team member lounge and bathrooms before closing. This ensures we're ready to turn on the lights and get started the next day. At the beginning of each day and throughout your shift, it will be important to refresh ShipStation for new pickup orders. You will prepare the bag with their items and any additional educational material. Make sure to check their ID before handing it off.
That's going to be $84.74. That's a lot of money.
So if you ever find yourself with too many bills or over $200, just go ahead and let leadership know and we'll go ahead and do a drop for you. So at the end of each day, the door is locked, the drawer is reconciled, and you'll use Deputy to post your end of day summary. Don't forget to clock out, and let's go home.